me tell you something crazy. Okay, so while you're watching this video right now, someone just made $500 using nothing but their laptop and a free AI tool. And get this, that person had zero tech skills 3 months ago. I'm talking absolutely zero. I know. You're probably thinking, here we go again with another BS online money scheme. But hold up, because this isn't some crypto thing or drop shipping nonsense. This is real people making real money with AI tools that you can literally start using today. Look, I'll be straight with you. We're living through something massive right now, like historically massive. And most people are just scrolling through TikTok while this wealth redistribution is happening right under their noses. I'm Mark, and honestly, 2 years ago, I thought AI was just science fiction stuff. But after accidentally stumbling into this world and helping thousands of people figure this out, man, I had to make this video. By the time we're done here, you'll have 5 ways to start making money this week. Not next month, not when you get good enough, this week. And I'm going to show you exactly which tools to use, even if you've never touched AI before. So grab something to write with, because we're about to dive deep into this rabbit hole.
Let's start with the real deal with AI money making. All right, before we jump into the good stuff, let me tell you what's actually happening here, because there's a lot of hype and BS floating around about AI. Think of AI tools like having a super smart intern who never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and works 24/7. But here's the thing everyone gets wrong. AI isn't replacing you. It's making you superhuman. Like, I used to spend entire weekends writing blog posts for clients. Now, I can knock out the same quality work in 2 hours. What used to take my whole team now takes just me and the right AI setup. But here's where people mess up. They think AI is going to do everything for them. Nope. The people actually making money, they're the ones who understand that AI is a tool, not a magic money printer. There are basically 5 ways people are crushing it with AI right now: content creation, services, products, automation, and consulting. Each one has different barriers to entry, and honestly, some are way easier than others. The crazy part is you don't need to be some tech genius anymore. I've got students who can barely send emails properly, and they're making 4 figures a month. The playing field is completely different now.
Now let's talk about where I recommend everyone begin: content creation. Okay, content creation is where I tell everyone to start. Why? Because you can literally make your first $100 this weekend. No joke. So here's how this works. You've got tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, and you can create blog posts, social media stuff, newsletters, product descriptions, basically anything that involves words. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's one of my students, and she was working at Target, making $12 an hour. She started creating Pinterest graphics using AI-generated text and Canva's AI features, started selling them on Fiverr for like $15 per pack. 3 months later, she quit Target. She's making $2,000 a month and charging $50 per pack now. Same exact process, just more confidence and better clients. Video content is where it gets really interesting. Tools like Pictory and Lumen 5, you basically type in what you want, and they create these professional-looking videos. I'm talking explainer videos, social media clips, YouTube content for other businesses. Here's the secret sauce nobody talks about. It's not about the AI tool. It's about understanding what your audience actually wants. The AI is just your production team. You're the creative director. My advice: pick one type of content. Just one. Master it with one AI tool. Don't try to be everywhere at once. That's how you burn out and quit.
Now let's talk about where a lot of people are quietly making serious cash. Digital services, where the real money is. This is where things get spicy. Instead of just selling AI output, you're selling your expertise in using AI to solve problems. And people will pay premium for that. Web design is perfect for this. Tools like Framer, Webflow with AI features, even ChatGPT can help you build websites way faster than the old school way. But you're not just a website builder. You're the strategist who understands user experience. Logo design, branding, same deal. You're using tools like Luca or Brandmark, but you're positioning yourself as the brand expert who happens to use AI for execution. Marcus is another student of mine. This guy was driving Uber before he found this stuff. Now he's doing AI-powered market research reports for small businesses. He uses ChatGPT to analyze competitors, market trends, all that business stuff. He charges $500 per report and does about 6 a month. That's $3,000 from something that takes him maybe 4 hours per report. His clients don't care that he's using AI, they care that he's solving their problems. That's the key thing here. You're not selling AI, you're selling results. Your clients want their problem solved and they want it done fast. How you do it is your business. If you're more of a build it once, sell it forever kind of person, this one's for you. AI lets you create products that sell themselves. Now we're talking about building something that makes money while you sleep. This takes more upfront work, but man, when it clicks, it's beautiful. Digital products are where most people start. Templates, courses, ebooks, simple software tools. You create it once, sell it forever. Print on demand is actually pretty cool. You use AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E to create designs, slap them on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. Platforms like Printful handle all the boring stuff: printing, shipping, customer service. But here's what gets me excited: simple software tools. You don't need to be a programmer anymore. Platforms like Bubble, Glide, even ChatGPT's custom GPT feature let you build actual tools that solve specific problems. Lisa, she's crushing it with this meal planning tool she built, uses ChatGPT's API and a no-code platform. $9.99 per month, and she's got over 300 subscribers. That's almost $3,000 recurring every month. The trick isn't building the next ChatGPT. It's finding those little annoying problems that AI can solve better than anything else out there. Think small, think specific. This one's my personal favorite. Automation, the secret weapon. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. Businesses are desperate for automation, and AI has made this stuff accessible to regular people like us. Workflow automation is huge right now. Tools like Zapier, Make, Microsoft Power Automate, you can create these incredibly powerful systems without writing a single line of code. Customer service automation is where the money is. Chatbots, lead qualification, appointment scheduling. Small businesses will pay serious money for this stuff. Tom specializes in real estate agents. He builds chatbots that qualify leads, schedule showings, send follow-up messages. He charges $300 setup plus $150 per month per agent. Here's the crazy part. He's got 47 agents across 3 cities. Do the math on that. That's over $7,000 a month in recurring revenue from something he set up once. The beautiful thing about automation is you solve the problem once, but the value keeps going forever. Your clients save time every single day. That makes your service incredibly sticky.
Now, consulting and training, sharing what you know. Here's something most people don't realize. You don't need to be the world's leading AI expert to help businesses. You just need to know more than they do. Implementation consulting is huge right now. Businesses know they need to use AI, but they have no clue where to start. That's where you come in. Training services are equally valuable. Business owners want to learn this stuff, but they're intimidated. They need someone to hold their hand through it. Jennifer started helping fitness trainers use AI for client communication, workout planning, social media content. She charges $100 per hour for consulting and created a $497 course specifically for fitness professionals. She's making over $5,000 a month from this one specialization, not because she's the smartest person in the room, but because she picked a niche and became the go-to person for that specific problem. The key is specialization. Don't be a general AI consultant. Be the AI expert for restaurants or dentists or whatever industry you understand.
All right, let's get practical, because I know some of you are thinking, this sounds great, but where do I actually start? Biggest mistake I see? People trying to do everything at once.
Pick one strategy, just one. I usually tell people to start with content creation because it's the easiest way to get your first win. Pick one tool, master it. Don't try to learn 10 different AI tools at once. That's how you get overwhelmed and quit. Spend 2 weeks just playing around. Create stuff for yourself. Experiment. Document what works. This practice phase is crucial. You need to build confidence before you start charging people. Then create your first offer. Make it specific. Instead of AI content creation, try 10 Instagram posts for fitness coaches. Specific sells way better than vague. Find your first client in your existing network. Friends, family, people you know who might need help. Don't overthink this part. Your first client might only pay you $50. That's fine. They're going to teach you more about running a business than any course ever will.
Let me keep this simple. Everyone gets overwhelmed by all the tool options. Start with free stuff. ChatGPT's free version, Canva's free plan, Google's Gemini. These alone can make you your first $1,000. Once you're making money, invest in the paid versions. ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month, Canva Pro, maybe Midjourney at $30 a month, but only after you're earning. Don't get caught up in having the perfect tool setup. The best tool is the one you actually use. Start with what's available, prove it works with real clients, then upgrade.
Quick warning, mistakes that'll kill your progress. Let me save you some pain here. These are the mistakes that'll keep you stuck. Tool obsession. I see people spend weeks researching tools instead of just starting. Don't do that. Pick something and start. Perfectionism. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than doing nothing. Your first clients will teach you everything you need to know. Underpricing. Don't compete on price when you're starting. Compete on value. Better to charge $100 and deliver amazing value than charge $20 and struggle. Ignoring the business side. AI tools are just tools. Success comes from understanding customers, delivering value, building relationships. Don't forget that part. Look, we've covered a lot today. 5 strategies, tools, common mistakes, step-by-step getting started guide. But here's the thing, none of this matters if you don't take action. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here right now. The question is whether you're going to be part of it or watch from the sidelines. Your homework is simple. Pick one strategy from today, choose one tool, create your first offer this week. Not next month, not when you feel ready, this week. If this helped you see what's possible, smash that like button and subscribe. I'm constantly making videos about this stuff because it's changing so fast. Drop a comment below and tell me which strategy you're going to try first. I read every single comment and I often make follow-up videos based on your questions. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only difference between people making money with AI and those who aren't, the successful ones started. Your journey starts now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take action on what you learned today.